Okay, you guys, welcome back to Nikko House to Home. Today we will be speaking our countertops into existence. Okay, on the last video I was telling you guys about the header we was doing. So this is also a new header. Oh, there you go, it came again. This is also a new header, but you can see that stain on there. So this was the baseboard. But since we put the fireplace right there, we just cut it up and made a new header here and a new header at that other door that I showed you guys. But this is how it's looking. It need to be painted. And this, I don't know that I show you guys that we put these down. But if I did, ignore that. Ignore me telling you again. So this is how it's looking. It look real good. I just need to find the time to paint it. And most likely probably this weekend I'll paint it. Because I want to paint this white. You remember I was going to try to paint it a dark color. But I want to paint this white. And I want to save up some money to get me countertops. New countertops for in here. Yeah. So that's that. Okay, you guys, we had to build this thing to hold the granite. So it is just an A-frame building thing that Ismael is currently building. That's how it's looking. So the granite could sit up on it while we look for someone to install it.
You have a jacket on.
Oh, why you ain't bring a sweater, Lee?
So I'm for staring that long.
He a whole asshole, ain't he? He can't help it.
You look hard, A-frame? A wood A-frame?
Mm-hmm.
It's 5 a.m. What these is?
What they look like, boo?
Where it came from?
Where it look like it came from, boo? Okay, it is looking like a Grey Goose Sunday while I am eating Brussels sprouts out the pot. They are so yummy. Yeah, eating Brussels sprouts out the pot. We put soy sauce. They soy sauce Brussels sprouts, and they are so good. So when the children come in to eat, it won't be nothing for them. Cause I've been on 8 miles. This pot was full. Me and my husband is eating Brussels sprouts out of this pot. He is barbecuing our pork chops, and I had him to get chicken, and we're gonna have hamburgers, macaroni and cheese. Damn Brussels sprout, honey, damn chicken could forget about that. But that. Okay, you guys, I am currently using this video to tell you that we had took a trip to the Home Depot so we can buy blinds for the rest of the window. Look at my big juicy margarita. But these are flowers. Oh, and there go the blind.